Central government have mandate to all the phone installed Sanchar Saathi app. A clear mandate or behest coming from central government to the phone manufacturing company that before selling of this phone must install the Sanchar Sathi app. It's a central government app track in every user. So from that time your privacy is not being secure. Your every movement have been tracking by the central government. That's the biggest concern raised up across the India. Opposition hurled allegation to the government that specially for opposition MLA, MP and leaders movement to track central government launched this app, raise allegation by the opposition, especially Congress. But from the central government telecom minister, he said that this app not mandatory, it's a optional, but previously installed by the company. But after buying the phone, you can refuse to be registered or you can be uninstalled like any other app like Google, like Facebook, pre-installed when we buy a phone. So like that, this Sanchar Sathi app will be pre-installed in your phone and you can be delete it, you can be uninstall it according to the Telecom Ministry of India. But the 1.4 billion people have not been secure by this Sanchar Sathi app. It can be track your location, it can be track your uses things, it can be track even your gallery also. So as usual, you are not doing everything in your phone. For the privacy concern, you must have to be precautionary things when you doing work in your phone. So it's heavily stressful for many people who must have secured his location or any other, especially for MLA, MPs, ministers, people also. But according to the central government, they said that it's for public safety because many people, they are not use the security app in their phone. In this context, this Sanchar Sathi app will be pre-installed in their phone for the security reason. If their phone will be lost, therefore central government can be tracked by the IMEI number and refrain from the uses of misuse or unethical work or terrorist activity. So central government said this. But people are highly concerned that after installing this app, every data have been revealed out and my every secure thing have been revealed out to the central government and privacy will be concerned as well. Thank you.